6 facial features. If you enhance these, you won't need a defined jawline or hunter eyes to appear appealing. Have you ever observed that when you glance at your face in the mirror, it appears quite attractive, whereas when viewed through the rear or front camera of your phone, it can look unappealing? So why does this happen? Whom should we trust, the mirror or the mobile camera? Stay tuned to the video and you will discover all the answers. Number 1. Nose. Are you aware that girls tend to scrutinize your face closely? When you engage in conversation with a girl or make eye contact, her gaze naturally drifts toward your nose, which is centrally located on our face. However, some individuals may have excess fat on their nose, while others might have flat or crooked noses for various reasons. Thus, if you have extra fat on your nose, it's essential to perform these 2 effective exercises. For quicker results, aim to do these exercises 2 to 3 times daily. Make sure your movements are gentle and keep your nails trimmed, as long nails can harm your skin. You should perform these exercises for 30 seconds, completing 3 sets. If your nose appears flat, this exercise is ideal for you. Gently hold the tip without applying excessive pressure, then lift it and release. Start with 30 seconds and after a week, extend it to 1 minute, repeating 15 times in 3 sets. Lastly, if your nose is crooked, perform exercises by turning it in the direction opposite to where it is most bent, applying slight pressure with your palm. Remember, while performing any exercise, avoid excessive force and use a gentle touch. Number 2. Eyebrows. This is one aspect of our face that often goes unnoticed. Many believe it doesn't influence our appearance, which is a significant oversight. Thin eyebrows can lead to an unflattering look, while fuller, darker eyebrows can enhance your features dramatically. Did you know that by removing excess hairs and shaping your eyebrows with a razor, you can instantly boost your attractiveness? If you aspire for a handsome appearance, start by thickening your eyebrows. Well-defined brows can also give your eyes a hunter appearance. Utilize a high-quality serum to promote eyebrow growth. Number 3. Lips. Some individuals have overly full lips, while others have pink centers but darker sides. To reduce lip fullness, perform this exercise for 1 minute. Keep in mind, visible changes won't happen overnight. Surgery may be necessary for significant alterations. For noticeable results, practice these exercises daily for 30 days. Now let's talk about how to brighten dark lips. For a natural remedy, mix 1 spoon of honey with some sugar, then gently rub the mixture onto your lips and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. After rinsing, apply Vaseline to keep your lips hydrated overnight. Alternatively, you can opt for the product Dot and Key Lip Polish Sugar Scrub for quicker and more effective results. I've personally used it to achieve pinker lips. Number 4. Forehead. Even after enhancing your lips, a prominent forehead can detract from your attractiveness. When your forehead is large, it draws attention first. Unfortunately, you can't reduce its size without surgery, but you can disguise it. Wearing a hairstyle that covers your forehead can create the illusion of a smaller forehead. Number 5. Clear skin. Having a defined jawline and hunter eyes won't matter if your face is marred by acne, blemishes, or dark spots. People's focus will shift from your eyes to your skin. Therefore, skincare is crucial. For a radiant complexion, wash your face thoroughly twice daily using a good quality cleanser. It's essential to keep your pores clear of excess oil, dirt, and sweat to prevent acne. Additionally, drinking ample water, around 3 to 4 liters daily, helps detoxify your body, keeping your skin hydrated and glowing. Quality sleep is also vital. Insufficient rest can lead to increased stress and acne. Ensure you get adequate sleep, manage your stress levels, and don't forget to exercise, which promotes blood circulation, revitalizing your skin and enhancing its glow. Number 6. Hairstyle. Finally, let's talk about hairstyles. If you wish to completely transform your appearance, experimenting with different hairstyles is key. You can view my video where I discuss in detail how to achieve the perfect hairstyle for you. Don't miss it. These were 6 attractive facial features. What topics would you like me to cover in the next video? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.